step-by-step tutorial. I will show you guys how we can add Fiverr payment method in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do is you just need to open your Fiverr homepage like this. Go to your Fiverr homepage and click on your profile picture and click over here on billing and payments like this. You will be directly in this page over here to billing and payments. All you have to do is you just need to click over here on payment method. Scroll down, you have here payments method. Click on add a payment method and choose which payment method you want to add. If you want to add credit or debit card, you can choose this one. You want to add PayPal, you can choose this one. Okay, I'm gonna choose, for example, this one, debit or credit card, and that's it. Scroll down, put your card number here, your card information, then click over here on save. That's how we can add payment method on Fiverr. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.